Hello, today I'm gonna show on Citroën C4 how to reset service light. So first of all we need this 000 button. As you can see, minus millage. So first of all we need to press and hold this 0 button. Press and hold 0 button and turn ignition on. And it starts counting. And that's it. So the service light is resetted, as you can see. Thanks for watching.